Hello guys, Sagay City oh. They destroyed the road. The road was good and they destroyed it. There are so many roads along the Marañon that are not good. Why they don't do that there? And Malobon Road as well, Pabrika to Malobon Road, also Himugan and Barrio Bato Road. There are some patches there that is not concrete. Look at here. Look. This road was good, you know. And they just make holes, put some holes in it. There's nothing wrong with this road. I don't know. Maybe they said this road is not suitable for use. That's why they do it. As you see, this road here was the same at that side of the road. As you see here, the road is fine. And there are so many